everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony DSX-S310BTX car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not connecting or it's not syncing or pairing with your device or your Bluetooth device, or if it seems to be not responding or lagging or frozen, anything where it's not working right can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're putting this radio in a new car or something like that, or whatever reason where you might want to just kind of get a fresh start as though this were a brand new radio, we can go ahead and do a reset on it. Now you will need to set it up again if you do this, but if you want to proceed, it's quite easy. All you need to do is first of all, make sure that the radio is turned off, and then we're going to find the reset button, which is behind the front panel. So we're going to take the front panel off using the open button. We'll press the button, this will fold down, then we can shift it slightly to the right and from the left side pull it out. And then we'll find the reset button right about here on the rear panel. You'll need a pen or a pencil or a paper clip to push it. You can push it and hold it for a second or two, and then you can restore the panel to the radio and you will be reset.